We begin tonight with two young babysitters facing some serious charges. They're accused of putting a crying baby in a refrigerator and recording it all.
We should say immediately the child is okay, but police say what the teenagers did is not okay. WBZ's Beth Germano is live in Danvers with more on the video that some viewers will find disturbing. Beth.
Well, it's video that certainly went viral given the horrific nature, and it did not go unnoticed by police. Two teenage girls with a baby here in Danvers Monday night, apparently thinking it was a joke. That's according to the baby's mother, who says one of those girls is her niece. And as difficult as the video is to watch, she says the baby is not hurt, and she wants to set the record straight. And because they are juveniles, we cannot release any names. The alarming video first appeared on social media, catching the attention of police.
Two female juveniles had placed a young child in a refrigerator. It had been videotaped, which was put out on Snapchat.
The frightened baby crying while the teens were laughing. Now the mother of the 8-month-old girl tells WBZ-TV by phone her 15-year-old niece and a 14-year-old friend were watching the baby while she showered. They claim they were just grabbing a bottle to quiet the infant's cries.
I didn't understand why they would do that. I didn't know they did that. They did not tell me they did that, and I was very angry.
It was police who showed the mother the Snapchat video. The teens now facing child endangerment and assault and battery with a dangerous weapon. The charges are serious, but this mother's nature is more forgiving.
And it was their stupidity, and they thought it was a joke. I feel like they learned from this lesson and they won't do it again. And I know my niece, she's a good-hearted girl.
Again, that mother insists those teens were not trying to hurt the baby, but this is being investigated by the State Department of Children and Families, along with police and their district attorney's office, taking this very seriously. Reporting live from Danvers, I'm Beth Germano, WBZ News.